Thinking is killing your progress. You're waiting for the right moment. You're waiting for the motivation. You're waiting for life to calm down, but you don't need more motivation. You need to be more disciplined. You don't need a new app, a new routine. What you need is to understand something that nobody told you. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You don't have a willpower deficiency. What you have is self-trust bankruptcy. Let me explain this to you. Every time you said that you'd start tomorrow and you didn't, your brain wrote a receipt. Every time you said, this time I'm serious, and quit 4 days later, your brain kept a receipt. Every time you promised to wake up early and finish the project, eat better, your brain just keeps seeing receipt after receipt. It starts to become a pattern recognition. Think about it. If you had a friend who canceled every single time on you when you made plans, 6 months straight, every coffee, every dinner, every favor, and you're expecting them to show up, you really wouldn't tell them to try harder. You just stop trusting them. And that's what I did to myself as that friend for years. Here's where it gets dangerous. You don't wake up in the morning and constantly say, I don't trust myself. That's not how it works. It happens underneath the surface. You sit down to start whatever the project is. Before you open the laptop or get your shoes, you've already run the numbers. It's scanned in your history. It says, well, we've done this before. We've heard this speech before. That feeling, that voice, that what's the point? You'll just quit again? That's not the fear of failure. That's the weight of every single promise that you broke to yourself. You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding another disappointment. You don't want to get your hopes up. You're tired of letting yourself down. I know that feeling. I'm 52. For over 20 years, I worked a steady, miserable job. And I finally realized it was costing my sanity, so I quit last week. In addition to building this business, there's days I'm sitting in the kitchen at 10 p.m. while the house is quiet recording these videos. Or right now, they're taking a nap. I don't feel like doing it. There's days that I doubt myself, and I really don't know if this is working. Here's what I'm learning. You can't wait until the shame goes away to start moving. You can't wait till you feel motivated. You can't wait until you trust yourself again, because the trust doesn't come back if you believe harder. It comes back when you collect evidence. You say you're going to do something and you do it. That's the game. Over the next few videos, I'm going to show you exactly how to start collecting new receipts. How to rebuild self-trust from the ground up, not with motivational speeches, not with just try harder, with a system. A system that works even when life is complete chaos, even when you're exhausted, even when your brain is telling you, don't even try. Here's the truth I want you to think about. You are not your procrastination history. You are not the list of things you haven't done. You are not the years you pushed. Those are things that happened. Those are not who you are. Who you are is whoever shows up in the next 5 minutes. That's the only version of you that matters right now. This is Jay Call. I'm a work in progress. Aren't we all?